Hi. So last few days are left for CLAT 21. Students often ask me questions about how to improve accuracy, what to do in last few days. So I am here with a series of videos, Last Mile to CLAT, in which I will be answering the most commonly asked questions. So today's video is about, I will give you 3 tips that will help you to improve your accuracy in English and logical reasoning section. So what are those 3 tips? Now over the years I have seen that students commit a lot of mistake because they don't read the passage properly. They are in hurry. Because of recklessness they commit mistake. Avoid that. That means read passage properly and read the question properly. You cannot afford to read cannot as can, or you cannot afford to not read except given in the question. Mind it, these are the silliest mistake that you can commit and lose your marks. Read question properly, read passage properly. It deserves some type of respect. Please give it that respect. I will not mind if you attempt one passage less but get the remaining ones right. I mean, aim for 90% accuracy in logical reasoning and English. Difficult to do, but 80-85% is definitely achievable. I am not asking you to attempt less and go slow. I am asking you to be careful when you are marking the question. When you are reading the passage, be careful. The second tip that I will like to give you is that never mark an option which has these two are the common traps that many options have. Never mark an option with these 2 common traps in them. What are these 2 common traps in the option? The 2 most common traps are: 1, option has everything fine in it, but there is 1 or 2 rotten word, extreme word in it. Please do not mark that as the answer. It will never be the answer. Second trap is that the passage doesn't even discuss about something that is mentioned in the option. So what the examiner does is they keep the subject same as that mentioned in the passage, but they give some additional information that is not being talked about in the passage. So 2 traps to avoid: rotten word, and do not mark something that is out of scope or out of purview of the passage. Thing number 2 to remember. Now what is thing number 3? This is your personal choice. But what I will suggest is that you can just have a look at the question before reading the passage. That will help you, maybe, I think it should help you to focus more on the areas from where the question is asked. You cannot afford to get a specific question, specific idea question, means questions that have been picked from a particular place in the passage. You cannot afford to get them wrong. So if you read the question first and then read the passage, you will ensure that your accuracy will improve in such question. But this third tip is my personal opinion. I feel comfortable with that. It's entirely your call, the way you want to solve it. You want to read the passage first, fine with it. Don't change your strategy in the final moment. Maybe you can try doing that if you have not done it so far. So these are the 3 things that may help you to improve your accuracy. I must not say may. The first 2 things will definitely help you to improve your accuracy. What are the first 2 things? Read properly, read passage and question properly. And the second thing to remember is avoiding the common traps of rotten word and marking the option that has something out of purview, something that is not being mentioned in the passage. Thank you for listening to me. I will be coming out with more videos on Last Mile to CLAT. Thank you.